So I have just finished repairing this CDI unit, capacitive discharge igniter, from a Honda motorbike. It was not producing any electricity to the coil, so the coil produced electricity on the spark plug, and the faulty component was this capacitor, electrolytic capacitor. I replaced it with this one, the same value, and now this CDI is working properly. I have tested this capacitor with this ESR tester, and this ESR tester shows a good resistance. Let's first short its wires and zeroize it. Okay, so now let me connect negative to negative and positive to positive. This ESR tester shows 0.03130 ohms, which means a good working capacitor. But if we test it with this multimeter, if we go to capacitance mode and test it, it will show nothing. Okay, and if I go to beep mode, this capacitor is just shorted. So both negative and positives are shorted, and this was causing this whole CDI to not work. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in another video.